Here's the new mission. It's possible. We can do it. thought I was done. That was a lot of work. I made it all the way to driver's side fender. And then, dun dun dun, lower valance. I think I'm gonna yank that thing off. I'm gonna do it right here on the hood. Yep. Last major, and then we're finally, we're done with this phase. Let's do it. This has seen better days. Got some holes here. Have to fix that. Got some rust down here. Yep, not great. But that means we can only make it better. So that's good. Well, that was a lot of work. I gotta check my stats, but I think we're somewhere between 12 and 15 hours for the rough majors. So not too bad. Could be done in a couple days, I guess, if you spent the time. But for me, that was over the course of a couple weeks, just a couple hours a day, just getting it where I could fit it. So yeah, pretty excited. We're actually through it. And anybody who actually watched all the way to the end of this video, congratulations, because I have no confidence this is going to be entertaining in any way whatsoever. It's just one of those things that just has to get done. So we finished the valance here. This was the last little thing to get me all the way around the car, and it's pretty tore. You can see it's got some major holes here, and even before this, it looks like it was primarily held together with mud anyway. So yeah, we're gonna have to do something with that, but at least it exists. My Camaro, the black one, 77, it didn't even have a valance, and I made one out of a old Ford Valance or something, I don't know, but at least this has a valance, so we have somewhere to start. So that's good. We'll do something with it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. On the next episode, we are going to keep sanding. Unfortunately, it's just something we have to do. We still have all the detail work on the sides, around the windows, the glass. I'll show you how I do that stuff. It's a whole bunch of different tools now, but all the major stuff is done. And then also, of course, what happens is I always start on the passenger front and work myself around. And what happens is every time I do that, it doesn't really matter where you start, but wherever you start, it's going to be your worst panel. So I started over there, and then I get more particular as I come around. So by the time I get here, I know exactly like how I want my panel to be. which usually means I have to go back and redo the first couple panels here to get those back in sync. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and also in the next episode we'll start these minors. And once we get through the minors, so one more super boring episode, then we'll actually be able to start doing stuff. We got lots of metal work to do. We've got a lot of mud work to do. And so we're gonna take those opportunities and just do it. So should be fun. Hopefully we can stay on track. Really wanna get this, my goal is to get this to the turkey trot in November. I would like to sell it at the turkey trot if possible. So we'll see if we can get there. That's the goal. I've tried to do that before and I missed the deadline. But we're gonna try it again. Hopefully we can do it. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying this. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really does help. And we'll catch you on the next one. Oh my God, what a mess. We got a serious cleanup to do. Serious. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Sorry.
Wow.